Hey guys, today we are going to be going over a little trick to help you if you are multiplying large numbers together and you don't have a calculator with you. Let's say you have the question 432 multiplied by 925. That's a really big number that we have to work with, and this might take us a long time if we use a long multiplication style, but luckily if we've got a grid, or we can draw a grid like the one over here, then this will be a lot quicker. So all we need to do is fill in our information on the side of our grid. We have 432 times 925. Then we are going to multiply, but only using one number at a time and working with our basic times tables. So for example, here, if I say 9 times 2, that's going to be 18, which I can fill in over here. 2 times 2 is 4, which I'm going to write as a 0 here and a 4 over here. 2 times 5 is 10. I'm done with 2. Let's move on to the next number. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 2 is 6, which I'm going to write as 0 and 6. And then 3 times 5 is 15. Last one here, the 4. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 2 is 8. And 4 times 5 is 20. Now, from here, I'm going to add together, going kind of diagonal by diagonal. So I'll start with this diagonal, and then I'll move on to this diagonal, and then I'll move on to this diagonal, and so on. So let's look at this one first. If I am adding everything in this diagonal, it's 0 plus nothing. So this is just going to give me 0. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 4 is 10. So I write the 0 here, and the 1 from my 10 is going to go into the next diagonal. Then I have 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 1 is 2, plus 6 is 8, plus 0 is 8, plus 8 is 16. So I'll write the 6 here, and the 1 goes over into this diagonal. And remember, I'm adding diagonal by diagonal as I go along. So now I'm working in this diagonal. When I'm done, I'll work in this diagonal, and I'll finish it off with the last diagonal at the top. Let's go with this diagonal. We have 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 8 is 11, plus 0 is 11, plus 7 is 18, plus 1 is 19. So the 9 goes there and the 1 goes here. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 6 is 7, plus 2 is 9. And then 3 plus nothing is going to give me 3. That means that 432 times 925 is going to equal 399,600. My answers came from here, 399,600. And that's it. Easy peasy.